Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin! Changing a ringtone is really simple. All you want to do is navigate into settings. In here you want to scroll a little bit down and go to sounds and vibration. At almost the top you can see the ringtone option. In here we can choose a different ringtone through the list of built-in Samsung ringtones. As you can see, the list is pretty wide and has a very big amount of options. So for example, I will choose Spaceball, as it sounds pretty nice. And keep in mind that you don't have to choose from the list, but you can also hit the plus icon and choose between anything that is saved on your phone. So you can easily set up a custom ringtone if you have it downloaded. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.